This problem is, identify the shapes below. There are 3 shapes below. The first one is an arrow shape, the second and the third are polygons. There are various names in the following: line, ray, parallel lines, quadrilateral, hexagon, octagon. Let's start by looking at them one by one. Beginning with line. In geometry, a line is a straight, one-dimensional figure that extends infinitely in both directions. It is defined by 2 points, and any 2 distinct points on a line uniquely determine it. Lines are fundamental geometric concepts and serve as the foundation for various mathematical principles. They have no width or thickness and continue indefinitely in both directions. Next is a ray. A ray in mathematics is a one-dimensional geometric object that starts from a specific point and extends infinitely in one direction. It has an initial point, called the endpoint, and it continues infinitely along a single path. Rays are often used to represent lines in specific directions, and they play a crucial role in various mathematical concepts and calculations. Following that is parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines in a 2-dimensional plane that remain equidistant from each other and never intersect, regardless of how far they extend. In other words, they maintain the same constant distance between them along their entire length. Parallel lines play a significant role in geometry and are characterized by the property that they have the same slope but do not intersect. They help define angles, shapes, and other geometric relationships. Now, let's learn about polygons. The first one is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, 4 vertices, corners, and 4 angles. In a quadrilateral, the sum of its interior angles is always equal to 360 degrees. Quadrilaterals come in various types, including squares, rectangles, parallelograms, trapezoids, and rhombuses, each with its own unique set of properties. They are essential shapes in geometry and have various applications in mathematics and real-world scenarios. Next is a hexagon. A hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides and 6 angles. It is a 2-dimensional shape that has a total of 6 vertices, corners, and 6 interior angles. The sum of the interior angles of a hexagon is always 720 degrees. Hexagons can come in various forms, such as regular hexagons with all sides and angles equal, or irregular hexagons with varying side lengths and angles. Hexagons are commonly found in nature, such as honeycomb patterns, and have practical applications in various fields, including architecture and engineering. Lastly, it's an octagon. Octagon. An octagon is a polygon with 8 sides and 8 angles. Similar to other polygons, an octagon has an equal number of vertices and interior angles, both of which total 8. The sum of the interior angles in an octagon is always 1080 degrees. Octagons can vary in terms of their regularity, with regular octagons having all sides and angles equal, while irregular octagons exhibit varying side lengths and angles. Octagonal shapes are often used in design, architecture, and art due to their symmetry and aesthetic appeal. Now, let's return to the problem, and we could correctly identify the shapes. The first shape is a ray, the second shape is a quadrilateral, and the third shape is an octagon. Therefore, the answer is number 3. Well done! If you have any more questions or tasks, feel free to ask.